Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're providing a guide to the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. We're going to show you guys how and why to use the Microsoft Store. Before we jump into that video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, so we are here on my Windows 11 desktop. Now, in order to actually access the Microsoft Store, there are a couple of quick and easy ways to do that. I'll hit the Start menu or Windows key on my keyboard. By default, the Microsoft Store will be pinned to the Start menu. Alternatively, I could just search Store and I will hit Enter on that. So here is what we're met with when we open up the Microsoft Store. This is our homepage here. At the top, we have a featured banner. Scrolling down, we have top free apps. We have the essential apps. And we have various other subcategories such as music streaming, best-selling games, free games, etc. So we can scroll down, and at the very bottom, we've got different collections that we can scroll through as well. Now, at the top left, you'll notice we have a navigation pane similar to other Microsoft software. So if we click on apps here, we have our sort of homepage specifically for apps. So now I have a slightly different featured category here at the top. I can scroll through that. And I also have a best-selling category. We can use these arrows to navigate through. So if I want to see what the best-selling apps are, this is exactly how we can do that. Again, we have essentials, and then it just kind of breaks it up into categories after that. So photo and video editing apps, creativity apps, etc. And we have an abundance of other categories to look through. Now, you might be wondering why use the Microsoft Store and not just download applications online. And there is an important answer to that. Anything you download from the Microsoft Store is going to be a much safer and secure option in terms of downloading external files to your computer. When we download online, it's possible to download from sources that are not reputable, and this can cause problems on our computers such as viruses or malware. Some people prefer to only get their applications from the Microsoft Store, and that's a perfectly fine way to use your computer. I personally like to use the Microsoft Store whenever the app I'm looking for is available in there. And if I'm not using the store, I prefer to stick to, again, only reputable sites such as Adobe, Blackmagic, and other similar sites. Now, if you notice both here and on the home page, we have access to a search bar. So if I click the search bar at the top, I can search for whatever I'm looking for. For example, I can type in Indigo PDF and it'll show up there, or I can just hit enter and view my results accordingly. So as we can see, we have Indigo PDF. It's already installed. Let's go ahead and check out the gaming tab. Similar to the apps tab, this is where we can buy or download games of our choosing. So for example, if I wanted to get the Microsoft Java and Bedrock, which is included with Game Pass here, I can go ahead and click install, and I'll click install again. While that's downloading, we can scroll down a little bit, and again, we will see different subcategories that we can scroll through, or we can search for our desired game at the top. Next up, we have the arcade section. It's going to give us a selection of Microsoft arcade games. We also have entertainment here, and here I can view popular entertainment apps as well as rent or buy movies. Lastly, at the bottom, we have this feature called AI Hub. This is a dedicated directory for softwares or platforms that are using AI. So if I wanted to experiment with some AI program, I could take a look in here and see what's available. Okay, moving to the bottom navigation pane, we have something called What's New. This is going to give us the latest improvements that have been brought to the Microsoft Store. And then we have a little help tab here at the bottom as well. Now, let's say I want to redeem a gift card here. I don't want to pay with a credit card. I want to redeem a gift card for the store. Here's how to do that. Click the drop down on your already existing payment methods if you have one set up. We'll click Add a new payment method. And then here, just click Redeem a gift card. We're prompted for our 25-character code to redeem our card. Another thing I can do from the Library tab is we can check for updates on our already existing apps. So at the top, it'll say Updates and Downloads. We have an update available for Power Automate, which is a Microsoft feature. And as we can see here, it says download and install updates by clicking Get Updates. And so by clicking this button, we can get the latest version of our Microsoft Store software. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about the Microsoft Store, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.